Hello friends and my dear students, I welcome you all to my channel. I hope you are all well and your studies are also going on well. This is part 6 video on the chapter of playing with numbers, where I will solve the objective questions from exercise 5D from the textbook of author RS Aggarwal. So this video is part of the playlist CBSE Maths for class 8 following the textbook of author RS Aggarwal. If you are new to my channel or not yet subscribed, and if you are watching my videos regularly and my videos are beneficial to you, then I strongly suggest and request that you please support me by subscribing to my channel, and also please do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified by my future videos. So let's get started in solving with this video in solving the objective questions from exercise 5D. Okay, so I have the questions of exercise 5D on the left hand side, and on the right hand side I will solve the problems. So after solving a problem, I will pause for a few seconds so that you can take a screenshot of the solution if you think it will help you. So all the questions are MCQ. There are 4 choices, and I guess one choice will be correct. Okay, so let's start solving the problem. The first problem says if 5x6 is exactly divisible by 3, then the least value of x is. So the given number is 5, x and 6. It is saying that this is exactly divisible by 3. Okay, so this means that is divisible. It is given that this is divisible. This is divisible by 3. We know that a number is divisible by 3 when the sum of all its digits is divisible by 3. So this will imply 5 plus x plus 6 is divisible by 3. So this implies 11 plus 6 is divisible by 3. Now what can the possible values of x be such that 11 plus x is divisible by 3? And we have to select the least value of x. So the next value after 11 that is divisible by 3 is 12. So this implies x equals to 1 is the least value of x. So that 11 plus x will become 12, which is divisible by 3. So x equals to 1 is the answer. So the correct choice is B. Correct choice is B. Okay, let's do problem number 2. Problem number 2 says if 64y8 is exactly divisible by 3, then the least value of y is. It is a similar question to question number 1, but the number is a 4-digit number and the format given is little different. So it is said that this number 664y8, my machine is giving problem. Why? Okay, 64y8 is divisible by 3. So this will imply the sum of the digits, that is 6 plus 4 plus y plus 8, will also be divisible by 3. So this implies 18 plus y is divisible by 3. Now it has asked what is the least value of y. So the least value, so 18 plus y is divisible by y is divisible by 3. Now y can be 0. So the least value of 18 is divisible by 3. So the least value of y will be 0, such that 18 plus y, which will be equal to 18, is divisible by 3. Okay, so the correct choice is A. Correct choice is A. Question number 3. If 7x8 is exactly divisible by 9, then the least value of x is. The number given is 7x8. It is a 3-digit number. It is given that this is exactly divisible by 9. So we know that a number is exactly divisible by 9 when the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. So we must have 7 plus x plus 8 divisible by 9. This will imply 15 plus x is divisible by 9. Now what it has asked, the least value of x. Now what can the least value of x be such that 15 plus x is divisible by 9? After 15, the next number after 15 which is divisible by 9 uh, is 18. So we must have 15 plus x equals to 18. This implies x is equal to 18 minus 15, which is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. The least value of x is 3 such that the given number is divisible by 9. Okay, so the correct choice is choice C. Okay, let's solve question number 4. If 37y4, the number is 37y4, if this number is exactly divisible by 9, then the least value of y is. Okay, so it is given this is divisible by 9. So we must have the sum of the digits, that is 3 plus 7 plus y plus 4 must be divisible by 9. So this will imply 14 plus y must be divisible by 9. Now we must find the least value of y. For least value of y, we must have 14. Now the next number greater than 14 which is divisible by 9 is 18. We must have 14 plus y equals to 18. This will imply y is equal to 18 minus 14, which is equal to 4. So the least value of y is 4 such that the number is divisible by 9. Hence the correct choice is D. D is the correct choice. Okay, let's do problem number 5. If 4xy7, the number is 4xy7 is exactly divisible by 3, then the least value of x plus y is. Okay, it is given that this is divisible by 3. So this will imply the sum of the digits will be 4 plus x plus y plus 7. This must also be divisible by 3. So this implies we have 11 plus x plus y divisible by 3. Now for least value of x plus y implies that 11 plus x plus y should be the next number after 11 which is divisible by 3 is 12. So this implies we must have 11 plus x plus y equals to 12. This implies the least value of x plus y is equal to 12 minus 11 equals to 1. So least x plus y is equal to 1. The least value of x plus y is 1, which will make the given number divisible by 3. So the answer is choice A. A is the correct choice. Okay, let's do problem number 6. The number is x, 7, y and 5. If this number is exactly divisible by 3, then the least value of x plus y is. Okay, so it is given this is divisible by 3. So this will imply the sum of the digits is x plus 7 plus y plus 5. This must also be divisible by 3. So this implies 12 plus x plus y must be divisible by 3. Now for least value of y, for least value of x plus y, this will imply the least value of x plus y such that 12 plus x plus y is divisible by 3. This will imply that 12 plus x plus y should be equal to 12 because 12 is divisible by 3. So this will imply least value of x plus y is equal to 12 minus 12 equals to 0. So the correct choice is choice B. B is the correct choice. Okay, let's solve question number 7. The given number is x4, y5 and z. So this is a 5-digit number. So this number is exactly divisible by 9, then the least value of x plus y plus z is. So it is given this is divisible by 9. Now we know that a number is divisible by 9 when the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. So the sum of the digits is x plus 4 plus y plus 5 plus z. This must also be divisible by 9. This implies that 9 plus x plus y plus z must be divisible by 9. Now for what can be the least value of, for least value of x plus y plus z will imply that 9 plus x plus, since 9 is divisible by 9, so we must have 9 plus x plus y plus z equals to 9 for least value of x plus y plus z. So this implies least x plus least value of x plus y plus z will be equal to 9 minus 9, which is 0. So the correct choice is D. D is the correct choice. Okay, let's do problem number 8. The number is 1A, 2B, 5. This number is exactly divisible by 9. So this is divisible by 9. Then the least value of a plus b. If this is divisible by 9, this will imply the sum of the digits is 1 plus a plus 2 plus b plus 5 must be divisible by 9. This implies that 8 plus a plus b is divisible by 9. Now for least value of a plus b such that a 8 plus a plus b is divisible by 9, we must have 8 plus a plus b equals to 1, because the next number after 8 which is divisible by 9 is 9. So that will make the least value of a plus b. So this implies this must be equal to 9. So this implies a least a plus b, least a plus b is equal to 9 minus 8 equals to 1. So the correct choice is B. B is the correct choice. Okay, let's do problem number 9. If the 4-digit number, the number is x2027y, if this number is exactly divisible by 9, then the least value of x plus y. So this is given to be divisible by 9. So this will imply the sum of the digits, that is x plus 2 plus 7 plus y, will be divisible by 9. So this implies 9 plus x plus y must be divisible by 9. Now for least value of x plus y, for least value of x plus y, so that 9 plus x plus y is divisible by 9, we must have, since 9 is already divisible by 9, this whole 9 plus x plus y, the least value will be 9, so that it is divisible by 9. So this implies least value of x plus y, so that the given number is divisible by 9, is equal to 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So the correct choice is A. So all the questions were pretty straightforward and based on the divisibility by 3 and 9, and so this was pretty simple. Anyway, so I hope this solving these problems will give you good practice of applying the concept of divisibility by numbers to solve these kind of problems, that is to find the missing digits in a given number. So if this video was beneficial, then please like it, share it with your friends, and also please do not forget, please support me by subscribing to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified by my future videos. In the next video, I will solve the test paper 5, which has good questions based on the entire chapter of playing with numbers. So please stay tuned for the next video on solving the test paper 5. So thanks for watching, and until the next video, take care and bye.